In today's video, we are going to cover how to create a metered price in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account. Once you are in, look at the top area of the dashboard and switch to Sandbox or Test mode. This is important if you want to set up and review the price without affecting live billing. After the mode changes, give the dashboard a moment if the page refreshes. Next, go to Product Catalog. This is where Stripe keeps the products and prices connected to your account. When the catalog opens, you can either create a new product or open one that already exists. If you are creating a new product, enter the basic product details Stripe asks for and continue to the product setup page. If the product is already there, just open it so you can add another price to it. On the product page, find and click Add Price. This opens the pricing form for the product you selected. In that form, set the pricing type to recurring. This tells Stripe that the charge will repeat on a billing schedule instead of being used as a one-time amount. After that, move to the pricing model section and choose usage-based. This is the setting that creates a metered price, so make sure this option is selected before you continue. Once that is in place, select the billing interval. Choose the interval that matches how you want the usage to be billed based on the options shown in Stripe. With the interval selected, continue to the usage configuration area. Here you will configure the usage model and enter the price amount. The exact fields can vary slightly depending on the usage settings available in your dashboard, but the goal is the same. Define how usage should be measured for this recurring price, then enter the amount Stripe should apply for that usage. Check the details on this screen before moving on, especially the recurring setting and the usage-based model, since those are the key parts of a metered price. When everything looks correct, click Create Price. Stripe will save the new recurring usage-based price and attach it to the product. If the page updates or returns you to the product, wait for that change to finish before reviewing the result. Finally, return to the product page and verify that the metered price was created successfully. You should see the new price listed under the product with the recurring and usage-based details you just configured. Review the listing to confirm it matches the billing interval and amount you entered. Your metered price is now created in Stripe and attached to your product.